guys, this is Archana here and I am back with another mixed media project for you all. So today I am going to alter two mugs using mixed media technique. So to prepare the surface, I pasted pieces of cheesecloth. It will create texture on the surface as well as it's easier to glue the embellishment on it. Cause on ceramic it's bit hard to paste embellishment or the surface won't be able to hold those embellishments. So it's kind of necessary process to prepare the surface first. You can use tissue paper or cloth to prepare the surface as well. Okay, so moving on, I follow the same process on another mug too. Next I made casting using mold and paper clay. Paper clay is easily available in any art or craft store, or you can use epoxy clay as well. Epoxy clay is also known as MSIL. I glue down the casting on the mug and spread granular paste around it. And for another mug, I created texture using natural stones and deco stones and granular paste. I applied granular paste in a manner as if it's dripping, and I just love the way it turns out to be. Next I cover both the mugs using white gesso. Adding natural stones or deco stones or even cheesecloth micro beads, it creates very interesting patterns and or texture on the project. Few days back someone asked me why to cover everything with gesso or why you use gesso in mixed media. So well, as you know, gesso is a primer, and most of the time in mixed media we add different types of embellishments or different colors of things. So to even out the colors, we use white or black gesso, and it also prime them to accept any kind of medium over it, like watercolors, inks, sprays, acrylics, and so on. Okay, so moving on, once the gesso dries completely, I spray some water on the mug and color the project using I mix sprinkle mist. These are such a vibrant and pigmented colors. Next I applied white gesso using dry brush technique. This is my favorite part of the project because it brings out all the elements and textures very nicely. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also do join me on my other social media. All the links are in the description box below. I will be back till then. Bye bye, take care and happy crafting.